Welcome to CaymanCocktails.com. My name is Kelly. Today I'm going to make for you a classic Cayman Mama. You'll find it in our classic Cayman cocktails menu. Okay? So first we're going to start with our gold rum. Today we're using Governor's Gold Rum, and we're going to use coconut rum made by Governor's as well. These are our local rums. Okay? So we do a ounce each. Then we got to add fruit punch. This drink is quite easy. It's pretty simple. And in our fruit punch, we got grenadine, pineapple, and orange juice. A little trick. Gotta add some ice. Shake, shake. Now you can garnish with pineapple, orange, whatever you have, cherry, and a nice paper straw, saving our environment. There we go. Your Cayman Mama. Voila.